In an effort to test the hypothesis that the different delays we're seeing are caused by the individual relays as opposed to the sequence of wiring, I went ahead and swapped the order of the relays. I just kind of scrambled them around, took the old relay and moved it into the first position, which is yellow, and then just kind of scrambled around the other three. So what we can see on the readout, now my trigger is off of channel 4, green. So because now one of the slowest relays is in that channel position, everything has shifted earlier. So the other relays are happening faster than the trigger because the trigger is now the slowest relay, where it just so happened to be the fastest relay before, which is actually why I chose that trigger. But now we can see that yellow, which is the old relay, is still in the number 1 position, and now we're pink, blue, green, as opposed to the order we were before. Yeah, so this does in fact show that our timing follows the relay. So whatever position I put the relays in. So as an example, let's just take number 4 and number 2, and we'll just trade those positions. And now we can see that our relative positions have shifted. So if it was actually the wiring that was causing the timing change, we would expect to see that no change in sequence of who's earliest or who's latest would happen, because the wiring hasn't changed. All that's changed is the relay position. So this clearly shows that we are in fact measuring the differences in performance of individual relays, not the wiring.